Aviation Africa 2020 is to bring the Continental aviation leader to Nairobi. Kenya is preparing to host one of the African largest aviation industry gathering as the Aviation Africa Summit and Exhibition take place at Sareti Expo Center in Nairobi on September 9 up to 10, 2026. The event will bring together more than 2,000 aviation professionals, including airline executives, airport operations, civil aviation regulators, aircraft manufacturers, investors, financial institutions, technology companies, government officials from across Africa and beyond. It's being hosted with support of Kenya State Department for Aviation and Aerospace Development, the Kenya Civil Aviation Authority, and the Kenya Airport Authorities, and the Kenya Airways. The summit will focus on some of the biggest challenges and opportunities facing African aviation industries. Delegates will discuss a way to reduce airplane operation costs, improving aircraft financing, modernizing airports, strengthening aviation safety, adopting new technologies, expanding regional air connectivity. Industry experts will also explore how a stronger aviation network can support trade, tourism, investment, and economic growth across the continent. Major highlight of this year, the event is going to go in Pasar. The innovation dedicated session will examine the future of drone automatic craft, advanced air mobile digital aviation system, emerging technology that expect to transform African sector over the coming year. Regulator and technology company will also discuss in developing common standard can safety support this new industry across Africa. Host Summit further strengthening Kenya's position as the East African leading aviation hubs. The event came shortly after Kenya announced $1.2 billion expansion job Kenyatta International Airport. The project designed to increasing passenger capacity, modern airport infrastructure, maintain our competitiveness as regional aviation investment accelerator across Africa. For the business needs, they expect to create a new opportunity to aviation, logistics, tourism, hospital, aircraft maintenance, cargo transport, airport infrastructure, insurance, investment service. As Africa continent expanding the airport linking under Africa area, improve aviation connectivity, expect to make trade faster, low transport costs, attractive great international investment into Africa and the continent as a whole.